Magkano ang balot? Hey guys, Joel Andrada here. At the moment, I am here in Whitehorse Station 1 and it's already 6 p.m. No, 6:30 p.m. I've just finished my walking vlog and now it's time to do this. In the light of the recent balut issue, I am on the hunt for a balut. A balut vendor to ask how much his balut is. So to those who do not know, balut is a Filipino delicacy. It is actually a duck embryo or an unborn duck. Yes. I hope I find one. Good luck to me. How much is your balut? Ilan, sir?
35, tatlong 100 sir.
35, tatlong 100. So that is one balut vendor. Let's look for more. You know what? It's funny that I'm realizing just now the scarcity of balut here in Boracay. Can't believe. I've been walking for like more than 30 minutes now and I've only just found one balut vendor. Hey, I think he's selling balut. Let me ask. Kuya, nagbenta ka ng balot? Magkano yung balot mo?
35.
There you have it guys, it's 35 or 3 for 100, di ba? 3 for 100 yan kuya? Pwede, di ba?
Kung marami.
Kung marami. So that's his number 2. Thank you kuya. Kasi pangalawa pa lang kitang natanong. Guys, thank you ha.
Oo, sige.
Una na ako. Hello, hi.
Oh, Sir Joey!
Hello, hi. Hi. Sally Travels. Hi. Bye. Those are my friends from Sally Yacht of Sally Travels. Hi po. Pwede pong magtanong. Magkano po yung balot nyo?
35 po.
35 or
Tatlo 100. Matagal na ako dito, Sir Katinda, 2011 pa. Dati, yung bintahan namin ng balot, 15 pesos. Pero siyempre, tumataas yung bilihin ngayon.
Tama.
Yun na tumaas naman. Ngayon, nagtinda kami, nag-ano kami ng mga vendors na 35 kasi tumaas naman yung remittance namin, Sir. Yun lang.
hello, te. Magkano ang balot?
35, tatlo 100.
Or tatlo 100? Hi, ate.
Hello, sir.
How much is your balot?
3 for 100, sir. Tatlo 100.
Pag isa lang,
35 po.
wow. The crowd is crowding. I'm hungry. Ay, te. Magkano yung balot mo?
40 po.
40.
Yung tubo po namin is 10 pesos lang po. Pag kumukuha kami ng ng balot na sa may-ari po, parang amuhan namin is 30 pesos
30
po.
pesos.
Opo. Yung sa 30 pesos na yon, na po, parang wala na kami bayaran na tubig, kuryente, ganun. Kaya pumapatang lang kami ng 10 pesos
10
po para may meron.
Siyempre,
din.
para may
Opo.
kita ka rin, di ba?
Opo.
Okay, sige. Thank you, ha. Hello. Ay, we have two balut vendors here. Magkano po yung balot niyo po?
35 sir, pwede namin mabigay ng 3 for 100.
3 for 1.
Yes.
Ito si Sir. Sir, magkano yung balot mo, sir?
35 po.
35. Ganun din, 3 for 100. Bakit magkatabi kayo?
Naubos na
Kompetensya
kasi sir yung sa akin,
Ah.
kaya next na naman siya.
Next. Tutulungan. Okay.
Kasi sir, pag magtinda kami, hindi kami nag-overprice. Yung sa amin lang, yung tama-tama lang. Kasi mahina na nga yung turista dito sa Boracay, tapos mag-overprice pa kami. Yung tama lang, may income lang kami araw-araw. Yun lang sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you sa sinabi mo. Ayan, kuys. Magkano ang balot?
35.
35? Ano ate, bakit nakaka-inspire?
Kasi, sir, batang pa siya, naghahanap buhay.
Ay,
Yan yung nakakatuwa sa mga bata.
ilang taon ka na ba, kuys?
19.
19?
Oh.
Uy, sipag ka. So 35, pwedeng 3 for 100.
Opo.
May gusto ko bang sabihin? Wala, okay lang. Thank you. Te, magkano ang balot?
35, sir.
35. Pag tatlo,
100.
100. So in summary guys, the balut here in Boracay is on the average 35 pesos each. It can go up to 40. And I have yet to see or hear about the 50 pesos balut. Yeah. Well, this is it for now. This has been Joel Zos Andrada. Thank you for watching. Bye. Note that this was done out of pure curiosity, guys. I just really want to know how much balut is here in Boracay.